Okay, so filleting a fish. Most important knife for this is a filleting knife. You want that elasticity, that flexibility that bends within your knife, because this area is going to be sat along the bones as we fillet the fish off the bone. I'm going to follow this line up, so the first cut with the point of the knife in, and then we follow the line all the way down to the bottom, and then off for the fillet here. And then the backbone is this part is the point up, so what we're going to do is come down off the point and take the fish off the bone. So again, point in, and then just move the knife all the way through, and it's nice long strokes, but the knife needs to sit on the bone. Nice long strokes all the way through as you fillet all the way down, bringing the meat or the flesh off the bone like so. Nice strokes, and then all the way off like so. Turn the fish around, and then start again, this time over the backbone and down, through. Point of the knife in, and you can hear the actual knife running along the bones of the fish, all the way through, all the way down, and all the way off. Like so. Turn it around. More difficult on this side because you can't see the line so easy. Point in, following it all the way down to the bottom, and then point the knife in and down, lift it all the way through, so we're getting the flesh off the bone in one swoop.